Hey everyone, welcome to another iPhone tip on my YouTube channel. So in this video I am going to show you fix for Threads app not working on iPhone. So whatever the reason, no problem guys, I will show you fix for the Threads app not working in your iPhone, any iPhone. So in this case mine is iPhone 14 Plus. Also guys, after watching this video, you can also leverage it from your side to fix this issue. Alright guys. So the first step, what to do, just go to settings and just try to find general. Yeah, here is the general. Just tap on it. And now you find iPhone storage. Just tap on it. And now try to find Threads app. Yeah, here is. Now just tap on it. And now you can just tap on offload app. So what does mean offload app? So once you tap on offload app, in the back end it will remove is there any technical glitches and the cache also. It will remove that one. It will give you fresh reinstall app. Just tap on offload app. Just wait for second. Yeah, you can see the. Now you can go for reinstall app. Just wait for a minute. Yeah. So now your Threads app is ready for use. So just go and check if it is working and not working. If it is not working, then just to perform the second step. The second step is just go to App Store. And here just try to find Threads app. So just write Threads and here you go, just tap on Threads app and you can see Threads. Just tap on it and you can see guys, it's showing for me open. That means Threads app is already updated. So just check in your side if it is any update is there, just go for update. So alright guys, thanks for watching my video. If you like my video, please like it, share it and subscribe it. Thank you.